Ladies and gentlemen, here's an easy recipe you can try at home for you and your family. So it's meatballs and pasta. We'll start off by chopping our veggies, then we wet our breadcrumbs with milk. Then on top of our mince, we'll add our onions, our garlic, our egg, breadcrumbs, fresh herbs, and all our favorite seasoning. We'll mix everything together until it's consistent. Make sure it's not too wet. If it's wet, add a little bit of breadcrumbs. Then we'll grab small portions and create our meatballs. In a pan, we'll add a spoon of olive oil and then we brown our meatballs on all sides. So I added a little bit of cheddar cheese if you paid attention, because I want that satisfying flavor that comes in with cheese, but it's optional. So once our meatballs are ready, we transfer them into a baking pan, then off to the oven for 15 minutes. And the reason for this is to make sure that our meatballs do not break. So the oven will make them firm. In the same pan, we'll prepare the sauce. So the sauce is the main ingredient in this meal. So you want to make sure it tastes even better. So once our meatballs are ready, we drop them in the sauce. We let them simmer for an extra 15 minutes. Then we remove them from the pan. Then we add our pasta and our pasta water. We let everything cook for 3 minutes. And voila, look at how beautiful this pasta looks. Then we bring back our meatballs and we dish. For an extra flavor, I garnished with Parmesan cheese and parsley. And this was very warm and satisfying. It was very, very delicious. Please try this and let me know what you think. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.